Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a 12 by 16 traveling ring, and I'm going to be using Deco Art Royal Ruby, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue, Craft Smart Robin's Egg Blue. This is Soho Terra Vert, also known as Viridian, if you have that color, white and black. And I'm going to be using a paper cup. And I will spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray to release all the paint. So I'm going to be mixing up these colors quite a bit, so I will tell you when I'm putting them in what color they are. Ellen left the top off of this one, so I'm just going to take the whole top off. Because I don't... Oh, it's open. Okay. Just making sure it wasn't plugged. So I'm going to move my canvas back and start filling my cup. So I'll start with some black and the cobalt blue hue. Let's go with the robin's egg blue there. And the Terra Vert, also known as Viridian. And some Royal Ruby. Some white, a little black, cobalt, robin's egg. They don't come out as fast, so I don't put as much. Terra Vert, and some Royal Ruby on top of that for a change. Need just a little more paint, so we're going to do it again. I don't know if there's any left. Might get a squirt. Got a lot of squirting going on in my videos, don't I? Okay, and some of the metallic. It's going to be first color out, so we're going to lose it anyway when it folds over itself. Okay. Pinch the cup, and we'll start pouring. I'm just going to park it there, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, I just wanted to let that drain out. And we're going to torch it real quick. I couldn't have a day without some blue. Okay, I'm just moving it around right now. Alright, let's head down to this corner here. And it's okay if it doesn't go over on the side there, because I can go back and get that. I want to place the color on the canvas. Get this last corner, and then I can shift it around a little bit. Come down and get that edge. There we go. So that's pretty cool. Still a lot of paint there. I could have used less white. The white is really selling up. And the black is really sealing up. So we're going to have a lot of cells in this. Let's give it a torch and see what happens. Not a lot of that terra vert, just that one band right there. I think it mixed with the Royal Ruby. Gave me a little brown there that blended in perfectly fine. So I'm just going to let that set for a few minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. And I do see a lot of little cells coming up through that white band there. But it's pretty cool. I do want to tilt it just a little bit though, as I sat and was looking at it. I just have a little too much going on there. So I just want to bring it, I just want to balance it out a little bit by taking a little bit of that copper off. And then I'll bring it back. That's a little better. It's not quite as wide as it was. So that's it, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that notification bell to be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Check out all the links below. Shop with us on Amazon, Etsy, and Redbubble. Join our Facebook group, the Praj Posse, with Christina Welch. And also my art page is on there for upcoming events. And our PayPal donation link is below. Our fan mailbox address is below. Get your Stone Coat Art Coat resin while we have the codes. Our new code is POSSE, P-O-S-S-E, for $30 off an $80 order. And join us every Monday night live right here on the channel, Eastern Time, USA. And we'll be sure to have a great time. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.